So our next topic is division of integers. So we have seen that addition, subtraction and multiplication of integers. Next one is division of integers. We'll see what is division of integers. If the two numbers 3 into 5, it is 15, right? 3 and 5 is a whole number or any number. So that means two positive numbers. From this we can write 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. That we know. Same way 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. This is in the case of whole numbers. Okay. So in case of integers, that means if negative 2 into negative 6. What is the result? Negative into negative is positive. So from this we can write 12 divides negative 2 is equal to what? Negative 6. Same way 12 divides negative 2 is equal to negative 6 equal to negative 2. Now consider the other two numbers. 44 into minus 3, that is minus 12. We can write minus 12 divides 4 is equal to minus 3, or minus 12 divides minus 3 equal to 4. Okay. So what we understood, when you are dividing an integer in positive integer by a negative integer. That means when two integers are taking, when you are dividing a positive integer by a negative integer, you have to divide it as a whole number. That means first you divide 12 and 2. What is 12 and 2? That is 6. 12 divides 2 is 6. Then put the negative sign. Okay. Same way, when you are dividing a negative integer by a positive integer, negative by a positive, what to do? You divide it as whole number. That means first you divide 12 and 4. 12 divides 4 is 3. Then put the negative sign. Okay. That is, in general we can write A divides minus B is equal to minus A divides B. That means when you divide a positive integer by a negative integer, also equal when you are dividing a negative integer by a positive integer, you have to apply the negative sign. Okay, this is important. Now see the next one. When two negative integers are dividing, when you are dividing a negative integer by a negative integer, divide it as a whole. Okay, that is 12 divides 3 is equal to 4. Then put a positive sign. That means when a negative integer is divided by a negative integer, you have to put a positive sign and divides A by B. Okay, this is the important things. Nothing, just think like when you are giving a two integers, one is positive and one is negative, divide it and apply negative sign. Okay, when you are given two negative integers for division, two numbers are negative, you divide the two numbers and put positive. Simple technique to remember. Is it clear? Okay. Now we'll see the properties of division. So what are the properties? closure, commutative, associative, multiplicative identity, etc. So here, when minus 8 divides minus 4, we will get what? 2. Right. Same way, minus 8 divides 3. So this is an integer. So what is the result? Minus 8 by 3. That should be a fraction, right? Okay. So each time, this is not an integer, this is a fraction. That is 8 by 3 is a fraction. But so we can say integers are not closed under division. Integers are not closed under division because when you are when you are dividing a number, the result will be fraction. Not every time, but sometimes. Clear? Same way. So this is not closed. Same way, if negative 8 divides 4, what is the answer? It is negative 2. Now, vice versa. 4 divides minus 8. What is the answer? That is 4 divides minus 8. That is equal to 1 by minus 2. So both the times this answer are different. So integers are not commutative under division. So same way we cannot apply the other properties too. Okay, same way. Next. So what are the properties? The integers are not closed under division and integers are not commutative under division. Is it clear? Okay. Now, when minus 8 divides 1, we will get what? Minus 8 by 1 is equal to minus 8. That is same number. So when you are multiplying, when you are dividing a number by 1, you are getting the same number. Same way, minus 8 divides minus 1. Minus 8 divides minus 1. I told when you are dividing two negative integers, divide the number first, it is 8, and put positive sign. So when you are dividing a number by minus 1, both the result are different. Okay, that also one property you have to remember.